I do love my Apple TV though. Like I buy all my movies on iTunes now, all of them, and I can just stream them anytime, and I love it.
Yeah, we only use our Apple TV, and I've been forced to use that Amazon thing from time to time, and I hate it. You can't even find apps on the App Store.
Oh.
But
have you ever,
anyways,
on the Amazon device, you ever try and swipe your finger on it, and you're like, why is this not working? And it's like, oh yeah, you have to click it.
you have to push this button, and their giant remote, you have to hold with 2 hands.
Proprietary technology.
It's a broadsword remote.
All right, so let's see. I think we missed stand-up yesterday, so what are my updates? Just been struggling with Angular, and Mark booted me off Angular today and just had me do some API stuff. So that was nice. I actually accomplished things today. Yeah, we're so close, very close. And we have that, I put that awesome review option, so you can review straight to the App Store from the iOS device now. So that's
nice.
Cool.
Nice.
Yeah. What else? I think that's it. We're very close though. I'm excited to get these subscriptions done. Mark's been killing it. So your update now.
Yeah, just Angular 2, finally coming to terms with it. Yeah, for those of you watching, my official opinion is if you're going to choose a web technology, don't pick Angular 2. Choose React. React is the freaking bomb. Like, it is just there's lots of reasons why, but like working in it today, Jacob, like even like doing things like HTTP or things that I would rather write myself, like Angular has a library for it, and so you're just forced to use every single library the way that the way they want you to. It's insane. But anyway, we're going to keep learning it and doing it because we do want to create a new course on it soon. So, and anyway, so it's been going along. The subscription feature is awesome. It's coming out very soon. I'm almost done with my part on it. Jason, he's working hard over here. We're tying up all the little things that we've forgotten about. So it's going very smooth. I anticipate on having it done, ready for testing by Sunday morning. So yeah, good stuff, really good stuff. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. My head's in the code right now. Got the codes.
Yeah. Awesome work, man. Johnny, I can't see you.
That is because I am naked.
Just cover up with your beard, man.
Yo, just can you hear me?
Oh, he didn't want to show that he's at Walmart.
Yeah, I'm at the store right now, doing a little bit of shopping. Thought I'd be home by now, but it took longer. But yeah, I have just been recording, editing. Third of the way through the chat app. It's gonna be a big one.
Awesome.
Sweet, man. Good work. That's exciting. Jason.
What is up? Yeah, today has been playing around in Angular. Made some conditional classes, like style classes, which was fun, to be applied to the subscribe cards based on the plan. That was cool. Right now I'm building the courses page to lay out all the courses that Devslopes has, so people, when they come to the website, they can see what we got to offer. Did some social media stuff today. And yeah, that's it. I've just been in the zone, ignoring my wife.
You shouldn't say that. We're live.
And that's about it.
Good work, man. Yeah, great work.
Keeping the codes.
All right, Jack Attack.
Yeah, so I've been trying to get the Windows Xamarin project off the ground, and I'm not getting off on the best foot with Xamarin, but I was trying to run on Parallels on my MacBook, and it's a brand new MacBook, and it holds my Parallels installation. I just had to delete it. So I moved to a Surface Pro. I couldn't handle that because of the screen size. So now I've moved on to a Dell XPS 15-inch.
Oh, that's a good computer.
Yeah, I pulled one. I had one at the office, and I pulled it out. So,
Jack, should we just use regular Xamarin Studio instead of Visual Studio?
I don't even know if you can now that they've merged it all into Visual Studio.
Oh.
If you go to Xamarin's website and if you try to download it, it sends you to Visual Studio.
So Microsoft bought them out and then made them worse.
Well,
sounds about right.
In all honesty, the issues I've been running into have to deal with Android emulators and things. So it's probably just, that you know how Android emulators are.
Yeah, Android is a pain.
And the SDKs and all that. So I think once I get over that hump, I'll be good, but it's just taking me a minute. And then tonight I've been working on SSL for the subscription feature. I don't know what we've got going on there, but the webhooks aren't going through. So
yeah,
it may take me a little bit of time to get ironed out, but I'll do my best to get it soon.
Yeah, Jack, that's a huge blocker for us. And I literally think you're the only person who's going to be able to figure this out.
Yeah, it's not going to be a quick, easy thing. Well, it may wind up being in the end, but it may take me 10 hours to find it. But I'll do my best to get that up and running, hopefully by tomorrow or something.
Awesome.
I believe
Jack
in you.
Davis, your only hope.
For real. I don't know what I'd do without Jack. We would like our servers would be burning. They're cloud servers, but they would be burning over in China, and I'd be like, "What's going on? What do we do?"
I think it's right.
I've got a feeling it's got to do with because we're using Nginx as a proxy. And so the server certificate, the SSL certificate, is on the public-facing Nginx side, and then that's handing it off to a Express instance, and I think that there's a problem there, but I'll figure it out. So
sweet.
That's all I got. Jack, I did read on the Stripe docs. They said if you are using HTTPS, your certificates must be perfect or it will not work. You might just try running a test not secure, like HTTP, and it may just work out of the box. And then you might find a better direction. I don't know.
Okay. All right. I'll get it going.
Sweet, man. Caleb.
I haven't actually been on a stand-up for a while, so I have a few little micro updates along the way, but I'll start with today and then go backwards. So today I've been studying up on model view model, just as a design architecture, and as well as RX Swift, just in preparation for an upcoming target topic. So just kind of brushing up on some of the basics and just kind of wrapping my head around that. Yeah, today I designed a nice Instagram story in order to promote the new review system. And I showed it to Jacob and Evan, and they seemed to like it. So it just kind of shows how to do it in like a quick little 15-second tutorial with some, instrumental hip hop in the background, kind of Gary Vee style there. So it's nice. Anyway, and then yesterday I designed a bunch of social media graphics, and I used a lot of those in the Devslopes by ABC Kickstarter update, where we kind of went through all of the 1 year of progress for Devslopes. And yeah, I published each of those as their own individual Instagram story today as well, for people to just flick through and just reminisce on what a year it's been. And then earlier this week, right at the beginning of the week, we held a doodle contest where on Instagram stories, people basically replied back to us with a little development doodle, and there were some pretty funny entries. So it was fun to see people engaging, and we sent away stickers to 5 winners who were exceptional artists, and it's really fun. So anyway, I've just been trying to be super active on Instagram and just keeping engaging with people. And it's pretty cool because when I first started doing stories, we were getting like 300, 400 views per story. And in a couple of weeks, we're getting between 500 and 650 impressions at least on stories. So it's growing. People are coming to us to see those. And so, yeah, I'll keep it up.
Man, guys, am I the only one that thinks Caleb's imaginary. Like no one can be this good at all this stuff. Like he's like a magical like being, or I don't know, like a bot. Maybe he's a robot, and he's not even a real person. I don't even know.
I think that Jakarta might have more hours in the day or something.
Yeah. It's just, no.
Time works a little bit slower here.
Magical leprechaun.
Well, thanks,
Awesome.
guys.
Yeah, man, you're doing a great job.
Like even his backdrop, look at him. It's like color coordinated and hipster. Like I'm just saying something's off.
That's my wife. It's not me. My wife designed those. Anyway.
Oh, maybe his wife does all the work. This is starting to make more sense.
I've been training her how to code.
I don't know, Jacob. I'm pretty sure it's a robot. I remember I was playing Metal Gear Solid 2, and then you're playing, and this guy's on the radio, and you're like, you grow a connection to him, and then you find out he's like a robot, and it like smashes your world. And I feel like that's gonna happen with Caleb, or if he's just not gonna be real, and we're gonna be like, what?
And we find out in June or July,
Yeah.
and then we just get crushed.
No, I promise I'm legit.
Okay.
I'm a real person.
That's what a robot would say.
Ah, dang it. Just can't win with you guys. Anyway.
Evan's in
Alright,
Hawaii, living it up, not doing any work. That's
Yeah,
just
it's sending in Snapchats just driving like 3 feet away from the ocean.
Yeah.
But all right, cool guys.
Yep.
Good work.
Yep. Cool. Go team.
All right, see you guys.
Yep.
Later.